Right, so let's upload this sketch and see the actual data from the sensors coming in. Okay, done uploading. Let's have a look at our Helium test channel, and there's the first data point. Contains, you can see the little dot is bigger than the dots that we saw earlier. We've got 19 bytes coming in, and let's go and have a look in the console of the Atom device to look at the debugging log. And you can see here's the data, here's the payload that is coming through. So the temperature reported is 20.60 degrees centigrade, humidity is 54.90, and that's the atmospheric pressure in millibars, 9,874, something like that. Great. What about the request bin? There's the data. So in the raw body of the post request, we've got the data from the sensors, exactly as we see them in the dashboard. Awesome. Now the next thing that I want to show you is how we can update through the air or over the air the frequency of the interval of the send interval. So at the moment it's 5,000 milliseconds. How we can change that to a different interval, and the location ID. We can do that through the air fairly easily without much fuss. So you can see here that the LED is blinking at a frequency of, say, around 5 seconds, indicating when the Arduino gadget gets a reading from the sensors and then transmits that reading to the Helium network. And once that process completes, the LED turns off. Let's say that I would like to change that frequency to 10 seconds without reprogramming the Arduino, just changing the variable controls the delay between cycles. I'll show you how to do that in the next part of this lecture.